In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out GCash at 7-Eleven without a card. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap in the app, what to tell the cashier, and how to walk out with your cash smoothly. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in, your internet connection is stable, and your wallet has enough balance for the amount you want to withdraw, plus any fees that may apply. Keeping your app updated helps avoid glitches during the transaction. From the GCash home screen, look for the cash out option. This is where GCash groups all the ways to withdraw funds. Tapping it will show you a list of partners and methods so you can choose the one that fits you best. Select 7-Eleven or CLiQQ as your cash out partner. This option is designed for over-the-counter withdrawals at 7-Eleven branches, so you won't need a physical card. You'll be using a code generated by GCash to complete the cash out at the store. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double check the figure before you proceed and take a moment to review any fees or limits shown on the screen. If you see a summary, read it carefully to make sure everything looks right. Confirm to get your reference code. Will generate a unique code, sometimes displayed as a number or barcode. Keep this code visible and ready on your phone. Don't share it with anyone except the cashier who will process your cash out. And note that codes typically expire after a short time, so plan to use it soon. Head over to a nearby 7-Eleven store. It's best to choose a branch that isn't too busy and to go during hours when cash handling is convenient. Have your phone charged and your mobile data on, just in case you need to refresh the code or show the confirmation screen. At the counter, let the cashier know you want to cash out via GCash. Show your reference code when asked and follow any prompts they provide. If they confirm the details, you may be asked to wait a moment while they process the transaction. Once approved, receive your cash from the cashier. Count it before leaving the counter and keep any receipt or confirmation they hand you. It's a good idea to open the GCash app right away to verify that the deducted amount and fees match what you expected. And that's it. Quick, simple, and card-free.